This CHIAMISU or Tiramisu Chia Pudding is a viral recipe that combines the rich flavors of classic tiramisu with the goodness of chia seeds. It's creamy, filling, delicious, and packed with protein. It's a perfect make-ahead breakfast or healthy dessert. Plus, it's gluten-free, easy to prepare, and requires no cooking. Let's make it. Add 1 cup of milk of your choice, dairy, almond, oat, or soy to a mixing bowl. Stir in 1 tablespoon of instant coffee or cool brewed coffee until fully dissolved. You can also use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee for a milder flavor. Now add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you prefer it sweeter, adjust the maple syrup to your taste. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir well to combine and prevent clumping. Once done, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight until it thickens into a pudding-like consistency. For the creamy layer, mix half a cup of chilled Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and a splash of vanilla extract. To make it dairy-free, swap the Greek yogurt with coconut yogurt. Stir until smooth and creamy. This adds a rich, tangy contrast to the coffee-flavored pudding. Once the chia pudding has thickened, start layering. In a serving glass or jar, add a layer of chia pudding, then a layer of yogurt cream mixture. Repeat with the chia pudding layer, finishing with the creamy layer on top. Dust with unsweetened cocoa powder for the signature tiramisu touch. This pudding stays fresh in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, which makes it a great option for meal prep. A rich, coffee-infused creamy chia pudding that's both nourishing and indulgent, this viral Tiramisu Chia Pudding is a must-try. Let me know how you like it. Happy cooking! See you next time!